Hey everyone, I'm Kyle Kane, designer for the Gabor Designer Series, and I'm beyond excited to introduce 3 newest wigs. As you know, the Designer Series isn't just any collection. These styles are designed for you, based on real feedback from the amazing women who wear our wigs every single day. So let's dive in, because I know you're gonna love these 3 fabulous styles. Demure Do. Absolutely loving this new Gabor pixie cut. Really stunning, lots of texture, lots of volume. Turn to the side, my friends. I love this shattered back. Very, very rock chick. You look incredible. Inspire me. Do you know what we love about this style? There's a massive, have you noticed, a massive 90s resurgence. So all this gorgeous layering. It's a bob, but it's a shattered bob. Lots of movement. We've got our lace front so we can change the part any way you want. Michelle, just turn around for us. Look at this. This is what we love. All this gorgeous layering, and it's such a flattering length. How do you feel in this, my love?
Amazing.
Beauty Rain. Absolutely gorgeous.
It's stunning.
Stunning. Big, bouncy, glamorous soft curls. It's got the gorgeous Gabor lace front. You got this beautiful sweeping bang, which we love. But my friend, turn around. Let's show the people. Look at this. This is what we're talking about. Gorgeous, barreled curled hair. Dream hair, my friends. You gotta get this wig.
I already own it.
So there you have it. Our newest collection designed with you in mind. Let us know which is your favorite and what you'd like us to design next.